Google Ads bidding. Clicks versus conversions. What's the difference? When you create campaigns, you have bidding options here, such as selecting clicks, conversions. When you select clicks, you're basically telling Google, you know what, Google? Focus on bringing as much website traffic as possible according to your budget and other settings such as keywords and so on. You would want to select conversions when your objective is to get more sales or leads that has monetary value attached to your campaigns. So they are both ideal in different circumstances. Perhaps you would want to select clicks if you want to have brand awareness, if you want to build email lists and followers, then you would select clicks. But if you're selling something, offering services that has monetary value to it, then you would select bidding conversions. For more easy to understand tutorials related to Google Ads, definitely check out the Rank Your YouTube channel.